Papaya is a fruit that originates from southern Mexico and Nicaragua. However, papaya cultivation has become widespread in many countries, such as India, Dominican Republic, Brazil, Indonesia, and other tropical countries. California papaya is a superior variety that can be harvested after 8 to 9 months of age. This papaya fruit variety can be harvested 4 times in 1 month and will continue to bear fruit for 4 years. In the industrial sector, papaya fruit can be used for various industrial processes, including food processing, beverage processing, medicinal ingredients, and cosmetic product mixtures. This fruit can be used in ripe or unripe conditions, and cultivated, using open or closed areas, such as greenhouses. In this video, Technologia will invite you to see California papaya farming from Brazil. Papaya plants are a type of plant that is easy to grow in humus and sandy soil conditions with sufficient sunlight intensity. This plant can grow well in soil pH conditions between 6 and 7, with soil temperatures between 25 and 30 degrees Celsius. The first step that farmers take is preparing the land. Farmers will start a new processing process by spreading compost over all areas of papaya plantation land. Next, the farmer will lower the tractor to plow and loosen the soil. This process aims to mix essential compost fertilizer with soil media. Then, workers will unload unremovable tractor to remove gravel and weeds from the field. After that, the farmer will lower the drainage tractor to meet the water needs of the land area. This drainage is made with 1 to 1.5 meters width along the agricultural land area. Papaya plants can be propagated generatively using fruit seeds. Farmers will choose papaya fruit with superior criteria to take the seeds and distribute in polybags. First, the worker will prepare the planting medium in a polybag filled with 2 to 3 papaya seeds. Then, the worker will carry and place these polybags into the nursery room with a greenhouse system. So, the air temperature and humidity can be regulated to accelerate the initial growth of papaya seedlings. Before planting, workers will install a drip irrigation system to meet the water requirement criteria during the papaya plant growth process along the land. Then, after the papaya seeds are 5 to 6 weeks old, planting the papaya seeds can be done. Workers will transfer papaya seeds from polybags to prepared planting holes. Usually, workers will plant 2 papaya seeds in 1 hole at once. The aim is to provide a replacement seed if a papaya seedling dies or is attacked by disease. Farmers need to clear weeds around the plants during the growth period before applying additional fertilizer. Farmers will also carry out thinning and replanting before the papaya plants flower. Next, the worker will inspect the papaya plants, remove disease-ridden plants, and replace them with new seeds. Workers will also perform maintenance, such as spraying pesticides, to eradicate pests and nuisance organisms attacking papaya plants. Papaya plants can be harvested between 8 and 9 months old. During the harvest season, papaya fruit can be harvested 4 times, in 1 week. Workers will harvest papaya fruit when it is ripe, marked by the color of the fruit skin, starting to turn yellow. The ripeness conditions of papaya fruit can be adjusted and picked according to market demand, whether for sale, as fresh fruit, or processed industrial production. When harvesting in a large area like this, many workers are needed to carry out the picking. Usually, the harvest team will be divided into 2 groups, namely the picking team and the transport team. In transporting papaya fruit harvests, some farmers will use transport wire cables to carry the harvest from the fields to the processing factory. Meanwhile, other transportation is carried out using transport tractors, brought into the fields, and accompanied by several teams of papaya fruit pickers. Next, the papaya fruit is taken to the factory and placed in a water bath to be cleaned of contamination. Next, workers will sort according to factory production standards before packaging. Papaya fruit is easily damaged during processing and distribution. So, workers must be careful in handling it. Then, the worker will wrap each papaya in paper and put it in a crate. Meanwhile, papaya fruit that does not meet the criteria for sale will be sent to processing factories for food ingredients and other industrial mixes.